Click Menu. Click Calendar. Click on each course. Click Highlight. Click Sync. With your mouse, select URL and highlight and copy it to your clipboard. Open calendar.google and click the plus sign next to other calendars. Click from URL. Right-click and paste the URL of calendar. Scroll down and click Add Calendar. Scroll left and click the back arrow. You will see a new calendar listed underneath other calendars called Buzz. Click the three dots to edit options for your student calendar. Click to change the color if you'd like. Click to edit notifications options for Buzz. Click Settings. Scroll down and click Notification. With your mouse, select Text, edit the notification to days or minutes in advance for notifications. Click Go Back. I also recommend selecting holidays in United States if you have that option so that you are aware of teacher holidays. Click Holidays in United States. That's it. You're done.